Hi, in this lecture, I will try to give some idea about cellular network architecture or mobile network communication system. Here I have tried to show it through several block diagrams. Um, Now let's start discussing some GSM entities. First, diagram shows that the signal from MS goes to BTS. From BTS, the signal goes to the BSC. From BSC, it goes to MSC. From MSC, it goes to the ICX, and finally it goes to PSTN or MNO, etc. First, let's discuss about mobile station. The mobile station MS is the user's end device in a cellular network. It enables communication between the user infrastructure like BTS, MSC, internet, etc. The MS can be a mobile phone, smartphone, tablet, or IoT device with a cellular module. In mobile station, that can be divided into two parts. One is mobile equipment and another is SIM card or subscriber identity module. Mobile equipment means handset or hardware, and mobile equipment in identified by IMEI number, that means International Mobile Equipment Identity. IMEI equal to tag SNR CD. CD means check digit, SNR means serial number, and tag means type allocation code. Let's consider an example. This is random IP address, IME number. In first 8 digit that defines the brand of the model, and next 6 digit is a unique serial number of the device, and last 1 digit check the digit of validation. Now SIM card, subscriber identity module, means a removable card is issued by mobile operator, enables user mobility across devices. It stores IMSI. IMSI means International Mobile Subscriber Identity, used to identify the subscriber. IMSI means mobile country code plus mobile network code MNC plus mobile subscriber identification number MSIN. MCC means mobile country code, which identifies the country. For example, for Bangladesh, it is 470. Country code is, mobile country code is 470. MNC, mobile network code, identifies the mobile operator within the country. Examples in Bangladesh, for Grameenphone, MNC is 01. For Teletalk, MNC is 04. MSIN is a unique number assigned to each subscriber by the operator. Basically, length varies to make the total MC usually 15 digits. Now let's talk about BTS tower. That means base transceiver station. Transceiver means transfer plus receiver. Both combines transceiver. A BTS tower is a crucial component of radio access network RAN in mobile communication systems like GSM, AS, UMTS and long-term evolution. It is responsible for wireless communication with mobile devices, MS, mobile station or user equipment, and serves as the radio front end of the mobile network. Functions of BTS. It transmit and receive radio signals. It can perform modulation or demodulation. It can also process the signal. It can also control the power, means adjust transmission power to optimize signal strength and reduce interference. And another feature is handover support. Participates in transferring calls or data sessions between calls. Clock synchronizations. Maintains time synchronization for time slotted systems like GSM. Now, BSC, base station controller. The base station controller is a key component of 2G and 3G mobile network architecture. It sits between the BTS base transceiver station and the MSC, managing multiple BTS and acting as a control hub for radio resources. Functions of BSC: radio resource management, handover control, power management, traffic management, BTS supervision, channel management, location deployment. BSC in call setup process. Now we'll talk about BSC in call setup process. First of all, MS initiate call. Then BTS forward that call to BSC and BSC assign a channel. That channel notifies MSC. Then call is routed via MSC to destination. BSC evolution in later technologies. The UMTS replaced by radio network controller RNC, and long-term evolution or 5G functionally is distributed into E naught B or Z naught B. E naught B for LTE, and for 5G that is Z naught B, and core elements no central BSC. If we see the block diagram, this is BSC, which is connected a number of BTS tower. Now we will discuss about mobile switching center or MSC. The MSC, mobile switching center, is a central network element in GSM and UMTS mobile networks that handles the call switching, mobility management and communication control for mobile subscribers. It acts as the brain of the circuit switch core network. Functions of MSC: call setup and switching. MSC connects call between the mobile users and to or from fixed network. Fixed network means PSTN or ISDN. Routes voice traffic and controls circuit switch call paths. Now mobility management tracks subscribers' locations via interactions with VLR, HLR and BSC. Handles handover between BSC, manages roaming. Local or international. Roaming means roaming can be local or international, which manages MSC, manages by NSC. SMS routing or circuit switch SMS. Forward SMS to user map protocol. Authentication and security works with authentication center to verify subscriber identity. Encrypts communication on air interface. Billing and charging. Generates call detail records for billing purpose. MSC in action when mobile originated call. It goes to MSC to BTS, BTS to BSC, and again BSC to MSC. MSC routes call to destination. Another MS or PSTN and establishes barrier path and manages call until termination. Mobile terminated call. When mobile terminates a call, incoming call arrives at the GMSC. Then GMSC queries HLR. Then it gets MSC address. Call routed to MSC to BSC, BTS, and then mobile station. MSC in modern networks. In long-term evolution or 5G, traditional MSC functions are replaced by IP multimedia substream. Legacy MSC are still used for circuit switch, fallback, and 2G or 3G interworking. Now we will discuss about ICX, interconnection exchange. This is used in Bangladesh telecommunication perspective. ICX is a telecom switching center in Bangladesh and other countries that connects call or data sessions between different mobile operators or international gateway. It acts as a middle layer in the call routing process. Function of ICX: switching hub between operators, mobile operators, maintains call detail records for billing and monitoring, routes call from mobile operator to A users, and then it goes to ICX, and then another mobile operator B can receive that calls. IGW to ICX to local operator. Provides lawful interception and QoS monitoring. All international voice calls and inter-operator calls, local calls must go through ICX for lawful intercept, billing and monitoring. Now we'll discuss about mobile network operator, that means MNO. MNO is a mobile operator company in any country that have radio spectrum license, radio access network is BTS, BSC towers, core network is MSC, HLR, SGCN, GC, SN, etc., etc. Billing and customer services service. MNO in Bangladesh, here some licensed MNO is Grameenphone, Robi Axiata Limited, Banglalink and Teletalk. PSTN. PSTN is a public switch telephone network. PSTN is a traditional circuit switch telephone network used globally for voice communication. It's also known as the landline telephone system. Features of PSTN is circuit switch. A dedicated path is created between callers for the duration of the call. Analog plus digital. Originally analog, now mostly digital except the last mile. Globally connectivity. It connects landlines, mobile phones, and voice over internet protocol via gateways. PSTN call flow example. Let us consider user A dials a number, then it connects to a local exchange, then routed through transit switch or tandem switch, then sent via trunk line to destination local exchange. Then the user can be notify or ringing user's phone. This is a basic diagram of PSTN. I am ending the lecture here. I will discuss the interference and working principle of these GSM entities in details in my next lecture.